Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is QDanny and welcome to a brand new vlog. I haven't vlogged in a really long time, and today what I'm vlogging is actually the New Year's Eve in Denmark, where I live in European. So yes, right here we just have my setup. I'm going to upload a video right now. You know what? Just to be cool like all the YouTubers, I'm just going to be like this. Look, I've been creating this on Photoshop, but not enough about that. Hey. Hey, Tobu. Hello. That's my dog, yeah. Well, right now I'm alone home because if you maybe see on my bed, I'm going home to my friend and we're going onto a house where we're going to party with a lot of people. And yes, I'll be vlogging that, I guess so, in the next like 12 hours for you guys. So if you guys wanna grab your popcorn and just sit down, relax, and just watch this freaking video, I would really appreciate that. And make sure to smash that like button below, and I'll see you guys in the vlog. Well, so right now I'm just going to get some breakfast because I haven't got any. The clock is like 11 AM, I guess so. No, 12 AM actually. So yes, let's get some breakfast. Yes, so I'm just going to get some freaking cheese right here. Cheese is just the best, so yeah. Yeah. So that's my breakfast, New Year's, freaking on your breakfast on New Year. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Well, yes, Happy New Year's, everyone. Yeah, maybe you can see some freaking lights in the background, some power shooting out from your bombs, whatever we can call it, not the bomb, but whatever. So right now I'm just filming a little bit. You can see the light right here. It's because else it will be very dark. I have experience with that, with some ding ding ditch dong, whatever, freaking whoa. So anyway, right now I'm just walking down to my friend Nico 2001, which you guys probably know from some of my videos and vlogs and some survival games episode where he has joined me. But he's from Denmark and he's talking Danish in his videos. But I will still link his link in the description box below, so make sure to go check that out. And we're going to a party. I'm not sure if I'm going to film at it because it's there's going to be alcohol and stuff like that. So sorry if I'm not going to film, but whatever. Yeah, so right now, you know, I'm just waiting for my bus to arrive where I'm going home from Nico 2001. I was sleeping at him. Yeah, that's actually status right now. It's kind of awkward because I'm just in the like I'm not sure how you call it, but yeah, I'm just like waiting for my bus to arrive here so I can come home. So yeah, sorry I haven't vlogged in like 14 hours. It was because we got to this party, as I told you guys, but I got a little bit drunk, to be honest. Don't dislike because of this, but I'm not going to record that because it's not the best when you're getting drunk to put that on YouTube though. But anyway, so yeah, we're just waiting for the bus right now. I think there is like half an hour before it coming. I'm not sure, but yeah, a half hour, like 30 minutes. It's annoying. So anyway, I'll see you guys soon.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Okay, yeah, so my friend and me, we actually had to take all of our computer stuff down in the kitchen room. So now we're going to make the build down there, and I have a really good camera film window where I'm going to film it.
These walls fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Okay, so status right now is that we are actually done with the computer and stuff right now, but we was actually supposed to download the Windows 7 Professional 64-bit on the computer. But the reason why we are still working on the process of getting this up is because now we have to get Windows 10, because there was some international, what the fuck, some technical problems with the computer, I guess so. I'm not sure exactly. My friend is helping me, so I'm really grateful for that. Alright, we are now finished with my new computer officially. And yes, as you can see right here, everything is like going right. As you can see right here, all the fans and the graphics card and the ASUS motherboard and the new chair cooler right here is going so well right now. So the computer is actually working. So right now I'm actually just trying to get some system working right here. I got Windows 10 because I was actually used to get Windows 7, but I didn't confirm to actually get it because there was some problems with the disk that I actually tried to get with it. And yes, and so yeah, I just wanted to say that my computer is now done, and I'll be going on the YouTube the 20th January 2016 again. So be ready, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so right now I'm actually done with my vlog. I haven't vlogged in like I think a week because I've been recording and playing on my freaking new computer, as this vlog was also used to be with my setup and the speed. I was speeding it up, the video, so you guys could see my friend and me. We were building everything right here. So yeah, right now I'm just eating pizza and I'm on the MCSG server. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, make sure to smash the like button. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.